a normal day, I probably will have zero makeup on. So I really don't have a beauty regimen. I'm very organic, so I don't use anything but the usual coconut oil. Yeah. Sorry to disappoint you.
I live a very holistic lifestyle, so I don't do so much. I use just basic black soap. I don't have any beauty regime or anything like that.
Beauty routine, on a regular basis, obviously I don't go to work looking like this. But I'm very basic because I'm very busy, so it's really more like, do I put foundation on, put a little eyeliner on, and then that's just it, but not too much makeup during the week.
Well, I have certain facial products that I use and I wash my face. I'm very, how would I say, I'm committed to the Control Corrective products. I don't use it like the cleansers, and then they have a lot of, their product line is pretty strong. So I'm strictly with Control Corrective right now.
I wake up in the morning, my beauty routine in general, I tend to wash my face. I have dedicated face washes now. It's in the last year, guys. Now, just soap and water I used before, honestly, to bath. But now I have a face scrub, so I do a general face scrub. Apple cider vinegar with a bit of water is still my magic. Like, I use it to just kind of clean my face down, and a little bit of face cream, that's it.
Drink loads of water, make sure you pray, and always eat breakfast, and get enough adequate rest. Makeup is nice, but you look. The real beauty is when you can stay without makeup and still look nice. So I think adequate sleep, enough water gets that for you.
I think when it comes to looking beautiful or feeling like you're glowing, a lot of it has to do with your internal well-being. It has to do with what you're eating. It has to do with the level of stress in your lives. Because for women, our hormones control a lot of things, and sometimes things we eat, our lifestyle, our pattern affects our hormone imbalances.
Well, as long as it's something that you're comfortable with and you don't have to, rob a bank to accomplish what you want. I've heard all kinds of weird routines. I think each to his own, really. If you're comfortable going the extra mile to do all of that, then hey, do you. But if you're like me and you find things a bit excessive and you don't want to stress yourself too much, hey, just, do you.
When I wake up in the morning, I pray. Yes, it's my beauty routine. Yeah, my mama told me that praying every morning, God replenishes your skin and makes you more beautiful. So that's my beauty routine. Oh, and of course I take water, so don't look at me like that. Yeah.